guys, it's me, Maddie, and I'm going to do a slime unboxing for you. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing is it comes in this purple envelope, and it says, mind with care, or use with care, thank you. Alright, the first thing is the instructions, or no, it's how to care for your slime. Look. And she has a YouTube channel, Rainbow Playmaker. Okay, the second thing is the borax powder, for in case your slime is too sticky. And the most important ingredient, the slime. Okay. Oh, shoot. All right. So it comes in this cute little container, and it says Rainbow Playmaker on it. And it's called a cold butter. Okay. Get my box here. All right, let's get this thing out. Oh my gosh, this is such a weird texture. It's like soft, but then kind of feels like fake snow, sort of. And it does like a weird kind of oh, it keeps ripping. It does like this spider web thing. Let's see if it spreads. Oh my gosh, it spreads so nicely. I've never had a cloud slime before. Wish it didn't rip so much though, but yeah. Guess how it took me a long time to get here. It took like 2 weeks for the slime to get here. It took forever. Oh, it's so cool to do that. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and here's the slime. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!